After personally struggling with the frustrating Deadlock shader loading crash and spending countless hours testing potential remedies, I successfully identified several robust solutions that genuinely work. I am eager to share these effective approaches with you right now. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial because old drivers often lack the proper instructions or contain bugs that prevent your computer's graphics card from talking correctly to the game, leading to shader loading failures. By getting the newest driver, you ensure your PC has the most up-to-date guide for handling these complex graphics. Next, clearing your shader cache is vital. Your computer saves little bits of compiled shader code to make games load faster, but if these saved bits get jumbled or old, they can cause a serious jam. Wiping this cache makes your computer build new, clean shader data, which often clears up the problem. Third, verifying your game files makes a huge difference. Sometimes, important game parts, including the shader instructions, get broken or go missing. Checking these files ensures everything is in its right place and fixes any damaged parts, so the game can find what it needs without crashing. This video will finally help you fix Deadlock shader loading crash on PC, getting you back to smooth gameplay. Lastly, adjusting your in-game graphics settings can be a lifesaver. If your game asks your graphics card to do too much work, like rendering super detailed shadows or textures, the card can get overwhelmed and freeze up trying to load shaders. Turning down these settings gives your graphics card an easier job, preventing it from getting stuck and stopping the crash.